Change position slightly for the putting on. Good to go?
Yep. So where are these muffles actually made then?
We'd have bought ours normally from the bell foundries or the rope making firms, and they have them made up by saddlers. There are some more modern versions which use Velcro to fasten on, which are very quick.
No, that's not cricket, though, is it?
But the basic leather is always going to be there.
Yeah.
These would be fine with the Velcro. My full modern bells with painted clappers, a nice bit of gloss paint on them, will struggle to keep a really good grip. So you need a good rusty hexagonal rod clapper, and that's a quiet bit.
That's good.
That's the comparison.
How old the mufflers are on there now?
That pile of stuff you took away with you had the bill for these, and I think that was about 1980 something.
Oh well,
but they last a fair time because
I was going to say because they're not being used all the time, are they?
No.
She's gone.
That's why so much of the stuff in the really old days, you'd have had blacksmiths doing all the ironwork and saddlers doing all the leather work.
So, and what are these called?
They're called half muffles.
Half muffles. Right.
They're called half muffles because obviously are muffling just half of the ringing. You can fully muffle them, but you need another set. And then you wouldn't have the contrast. Can I just touch it?
Yeah. So,
Without
the same way, one goes on top of the other.
Yeah.
How many times do you use these over a year?
It varies. We'll put them on for a funeral. Remembrance is an obvious every year.
Should I do a couple as well?
Yes. Are you good to do that?
Yes,
over there, Jeff? Yeah. There are different things. We could do it for New Year. Some towers will muffle them, ring solemn up until a few minutes before midnight, whip the muffles off, and then dash back down and ring them loud and joyous for New Year. But we do it differently.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
We do a thing called decaying rounds, where we start off ringing all six as normal. And we ring 12 blows of all six, and the lightest bell, the treble, will set. We'll then ring 12 more rows, and the two will set, which leaves us to ring in the back four. Again, 12 rows with the three, and then that sets until, if we've got it timed well, with a few seconds to midnight, the fifth will be ringing with the tenor. The fifth will set after 12 goes of 5-6, 5-6,
Would you like me to
and
do
we're left with the tenor striking
Hmm.
right at the end.
Would you like me to do number 2?